So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Pokemon GO Plus for your Apple Watch. So first thing you need to do is to go to your web browser and search for Pokemon GO Apple Watch. You just have to scroll and then click this link right here. You have discontinued support for Apple Watch. Then after that, read the article. So it says here Pokemon Go is officially adding support for Apple Watch devices since July 1, 2019. So basically, Adventure Sync allow trainers the option of tracking their steps, earning body candy, and hatching eggs in one mobile device rather than two separate devices. We want to focus on building Adventure Sync so that trainers will no longer have to split their gameplay between two devices. So a trainer can use Adventure Sync to track their distance by syncing their fitness apps in their phones, which does not require devices such as Apple Watches. So basically, you cannot go ahead and play your Pokemon GO Plus to your Apple Watches as it has already been discontinued since July 2019.